Welcome tonight to the UT Lustrum Science Quiz.
And then secondly, what did you answer?
So we're thinking it might work already at 40 kilometers per hour.
Question number 11.
Is going to start.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. There will be another experiment.
Hello, hello, hello. A voice from above, that is your jury, your professional jury.
And we're going to do mathematics.
But the greatly increased body temperature deteriorates the functions of the brain.
Big hand of applause for, what's your name? Basis. There you go.
Then the winner of the third prize.
Richie.
What kind of team do you represent?
Urenco.
Ah, Urenco, one of our sponsors. You have won for 6 people.
For 6 people.
Laser tag and unlimited drinks in Enschede.
No. And the winner is Noodle Soup.
Hi. Congratulations.
And a big hand for the winners of today's science quiz. Please, one big hand for our main sponsor Linux, Urenco, Mon3D and Demcon.
And for yourselves for participating. Thank you